Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you bright and early in the morning here. 80 degrees out. We're going to be doing a cold start walk around video on this 2005 Ford F350 King Ranch Power Stroke. It's a really nice truck, about 250,000 miles, super clean. Had a little bit of rust under the flares. We got brand new 20x12 chromes on it. The motor's been bulletproof with ARP Headstuds, EGR Delete. But let's hop up in and we're going to go through the insides first. Heated power adjustable seats with lumbar, heated option, great shape. I mean, the leather, that's what this King Ranch does. It distresses, but it's not torn up or shredded at all. It's actually really nice shape, and it is a sunroof truck. Let's see here. Oh, the miles went off as soon as I closed the door. Yeah. 251125. Oh, turn the tunes down. As you can see over here, the truck's been sitting in front of my shop for a few hours, so it is as cold gets. Has not been ran today at all. Fire's right up. I can't show you the exhaust because that mirror's folded in, but there's no smoking, nothing funny happening back there. You know, we send out nice trucks here, guys. Let's go over options. We've got the 6-disc CD changer. We've got digital climate control AC, power sliding rear window, button 4-wheel drive, factory integrated trailer brakes, King Ranch cup holder, drop down storage bin. You got a lighter, trash bag hook, and then you got your computer command buttons over here for your dash. The King Ranch, it is loaded, so we've got all your volume controls for the stereo, fan controls for the AC, which is ice cold in this thing. It's beautiful. Like I said, it is a sunroof truck. Everything works as it should. It pops open, it slides, it does it all. Really nice truck on the inside. Judging this thing on the inside, you cannot tell this vehicle has 250,000 miles on it. It's super clean. It's console style seating. Back seat is a bench. But yeah, very nice looking truck. The inside is extremely clean for the age and miles. Let's hop out, hop under the hood, do the body walk around. Got a couple little battle wounds for 250K. She's got some scratches and dings and a little bit of rust, but you guys will be happy with it. Motor's been fully bulletproofed. It does have a small Daystar lift on it. Air rate, cold air intake. ARP Headstuds in the engine. So they've had the head gaskets redone and studded the motor. It has an EGR Delete on it. And I don't think this truck has any blow-by. Nope, no blow-by. Very, very minimal, if any. Everything under the hood is how you want to see it on these 6 liters. That's how we send them out. We know that. That's our game, guys. So let's go over the body. Make sure you're happy with everything. It's got the legit King Ranch OEM grille with the tan inserts. We added a set of Harley-Davidson headlights. If you don't like them, I've got the factory chrome ones. I think they just fancy it up a little bit. Front bumper has some scratches over on this side. Nothing terrible, but some little ones you can see down there. And there's also a little dent. That license plate kind of covers it up, but it looks like someone lightly hit a pole. I'm not saying like an accident, like someone just pulled too far forward at the grocery store or something. Cool thing about this truck, it is a 1-ton crew cab short bed, so it's only got a 6.5-foot bed on it. A lot of people like that with a 1-ton. Not everyone likes a long bed. It's a coil spacer lift kit. Brand new wheels and tires. This is a 20x12 Cali Offroad Anarchy wheel with chrome plating. And then we've got a 35, 12, 50, 20 amp all-terrain tire. It's the AT version. The wheel and tire, they're brand new. They have 0 miles on them. Big old lip on that wheel, nice chrome lip. Tires come with a 40,000 mile tread life warranty, so you are covered with the tires. Looking back at this truck, it is a very clean truck with the exception of a couple little dent scratch areas. All disclosure, it had a little rust. We put these brand new fender flares on them, had to paint them Arizona beige, the color of the stripe on the bottom. In the camera, just because they're brand new, they have more shine to them, so they look a little bit different. But I assure you, that color matches that color to a T. But we do have a stripe of Arizona beige bed liner on the bottom here. There had been a previous minor rust repair, it looks like, but very well done. It's sprayed nice. It's not junked out at all. It's super clean. It was put on professionally. Couple scratches on the gas cap there, nothing terrible. Pretty clean on this side of the body. So duck our heads in the back here and take a look. Pretty nice, pretty much what you see on most of these trucks. It does have a turnover ball, B&W turnover ball on the bed. It's got a hard folding tonneau cover on the bed as well. We do have a rhino stripe on the bottom of the tailgate, covering up a little bit of rust. It looks great on there though. Factory tow package with all your tow lights and everything, or their trailer light hookups. It has a spray-in bed liner, which is also the color of the bottom, that Adobe gold. Like I said, it's got a B&W turnover ball in there as well. This thing just folds up and has little straps in it to click it and lock it down. We do have a 4-inch turbo back exhaust on this truck as well. It sounds very nice. As you can hear it right now, it's you can hear the VGTs and the turbo adjusting and keeping it clean. So one of the scratches and dents I'm going to go over with you is right here on the cab. I mean, everything else has been pretty clean most of the way around. Something happened here, and it goes across the cab here into the door handle and a very small amount into the door. It's just a scratch. That dent can be repaired a little bit, scratch and dent. It's been touched up. It is there. When you back up, it kind of fades away and you don't see it as much, but I'm pointing it out to you now, just letting you know that is the worst one on the truck. Other than that, this truck is pretty darn clean for the age and miles. These King Ranches are super nice. Everyone loves them. It's got the factory King Ranch floor mats in it still. It's got the stow and go trays for under the seats, so you got storage area. But I hope I've showed you guys everything. It's a super nice truck. We service it head to toe. It's got a brand new front end, ball joints, wheel bearings, all the stuff. If you have any questions, head over to the website, 816diesel.com. You can call us, 816-298-7030. Head on down to the shop. There's the phone number. We're downtown Kansas City. All our information's on the website as far as contact goes. My name's Cameron. Shoot me a text right now if you got any questions. I'm happy to help you. My cell phone number is 913-735-3748. Thank you for your time, guys. Have a great day.